What's up, y'all? Here's a simple concept for a schedule graphic that's clear but also more interesting than just boring text on a background. So let's break it down. Like I said, super simple. We have a background texture. This is what I had been using for App State, and then I just blurred it. And then you're just gonna put shapes in. So this is just a yellow rectangle. And then we have a white rectangle. Same thing, duplicate it, just move it. Then we have that same texture. So we're staying in the brand. We've got the same colors, same textures. And you're just gonna put the information, in any alignment you want, really. This concept can work in multiple ways. I decided to just kind of go across the board. So we have all of our info over on the left with the logo of who we're playing. And then I like to box things off a lot in infographics with rectangles. So to make it more interesting and less redundant, I did that on one side and then did just text on the other side. So basically we have that the whole way down. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And then we have the bottom photo. So that's the interesting aspect of it. So if you find like a group photo or just a really interesting photo, maybe a photo that's like wide, like this is, more than just one person, you can put that at the bottom or maybe at the top, depending on what you're making. And you automatically have like a little more interesting of a graphic, like without this, which in this group are just a bunch of shadows around their feet to make it look like they're really standing there. I think that sells it. I think it wouldn't be quite the same without all the shadows, so that's just a note. But if you take that out, you have a good solid looking graphic, but it's not like super interesting. And the group photo huddle just makes it more hype, makes it more of a team. It's like, this is our team and we're playing these people on these channels. And if you're trying to sell tickets, trying to get people to watch, this is just more inspiring, I think, than just having the information with no human connection. Here you see these players, you can connect to them. If it's just the text, you're not really connecting. You're just like, oh, okay, this is good to know. Swipe. So you add the players in, you added the logo and the lighting, shading, color, just to finish it off, make it look like one cohesive piece. I think that looks super great, super clean. And the little tiny touch at the bottom, it doesn't have to be a lot, it's just one small photo at the bottom, is what makes this graphic a little more interesting than just a graphic with text on it. There's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.